Curve and Bloom Nashville is marketed as a fashion boutique with Nashville-inspired branding, offering stylish clothing and accessories at attractive prices. The name may give the impression that it's a Tennessee-based business, but the real question is it really from Tennessee? Now, to be fair, many online fashion brands use city names or regional branding as part of their marketing. That doesn't necessarily mean the company is based or operated there. What it does well: trendy fashion selection. The store offers a variety of dresses, tops, outerwear, and everyday clothing. Attractive pricing. Frequent sales and discounts can make many items appear to offer good value. Where the hype falls apart, the branding may create assumptions. Having Nashville in the name doesn't automatically mean the company is based in Tennessee. Check the company details. Before buying, look for the business address, contact information, and where orders are actually shipped from. Product quality may vary. As with many online boutiques, the materials, fit, and finish may not always match the promotional photos. So, should you buy from Curve and Bloom Nashville? Short answer, maybe, but verify the details first. If you like the clothing and are comfortable with the store's policies, it may be worth considering. But don't assume it's a Tennessee-based business simply because of its name or branding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.